Hello and welcome back to Get Yoruba Life TV. Have you ever woken up from a dream and felt like it was more than just a dream? That it was a message? In Yoruba spirituality, dreams are not random. They are a sacred language. They are a direct channel of communication from the divine. Our dreams can give us warnings. They can give us guidance. They can even tell us about our future. Today, we will explore the Yoruba view of dreams. I will tell you who is speaking to you in your dreams, and I will give you a simple guide to help you understand their messages. In Yoruba belief, the world of dreams is very real. It's a place where our physical world and spiritual world meets. During sleep, our spirit can travel. It can connect with our ancestors. It can visit the sacred places of the Orisha. The messages we receive in this state are very important. They are often clearer than the messages we get in our waking lives. Dreams are a gift. They are a way for our Ori to speak to us without the noise of the physical world. Our Ori knows our true destiny. In dreams, it can show us the right path or warn us of dangers. So when you wake up from a powerful dream, don't just forget it. Write it down. It could be one of the most important messages you ever receive. There are several spiritual forces that might be communicating with you in your dreams. Your Ori. Your own spiritual consciousness is the most common messenger. Your Ori will often show you dreams that reflect your inner states. If you are straying from your paths, you might have a dream that shows you a difficult road. If you are making good choices, your dream might show you a clear path. Your ancestors. Your ancestors are always watching over you. They may appear in your dreams to give you warnings or to give you advice. They might show you a problem that happened in their own lives to teach you a lesson. They might also appear to offer protection and support. Then the Orisha. The Orisha can also send messages through dreams. For example, you might have a dream with a river, a sign from Oshun, or you might dream of a big thunderstorm, a message from Shango. These dreams are often full of strong symbolism. Other spiritual forces. Both positive forces like the Irumole and the negative forces like the Ajogun can appear in dreams. The key is to pay attention to how you feel in the dream. A dream that brings you peace and light is from a positive force. A dream that brings you fear or confusion is from a challenging force. You don't need a professional to understand your dreams. You just need to pay attention. Here is a simple framework to help you. Write it down. As soon as you wake up, write down everything you remember. Even the small details are important. What did you see? What did you feel? Who was there in the dream? Then 2, look for symbols. Pay attention to the symbols. In Yoruba tradition, some symbols have clear meanings. Water. Water can mean cleansing, peace, or emotional life. Forest. A forest can mean growth, secret, or challenge. roads or paths. A path can mean your life journey. A crossroads can mean a big decision. Animals. Different animals represent different Orishas. A bird might be a message from the spirit's word. So, number 3, feel the emotion. How did the dream make you feel? Did you feel happy? Did you feel scared? The emotion in the dream is often the key to its meaning. A dream that feels peaceful is a good sign. A dream that feels bad is a warning. The next, connect to your waking life. Think about what is happening in your life right now. Are you facing a big decision? Are you worried about something? The dream is likely connected to your real life. The answers are often simpler than you think. Your dreams are just trying to help you. Dreams are a beautiful and powerful part of Yoruba spirituality. They are a constant reminder that we are never alone. Our spiritual family, our ancestors, and our own Ori are always there to guide us. By paying attention to our dreams, we can gain wisdom and live a more purpose-filled life. We can get a better life. Thank you for joining me today. Please like this video, subscribe to Get a Better Life TV, and share this message with someone who needs to hear it. Thank you and bye for now.
Dear viewers, your support means the world to me. If you enjoy my content and want to see more, consider becoming a member by clicking the join button below. You can choose a membership category that suits you best, and every bit helps me continue creating the content you love. Thank you for being part of this amazing community